Hello and welcome dear children. This is our next clip for nested for programs. Uh, just like a revision purpose, I am trying to explain these things. This is a two data type I and j. I is equal to 4, 5, I greater than equal to 1 and I minus minus. For j is equal to I, j is greater than equal to 1 and j minus minus. This is print. Inner for always will be print as I discussed in previous clip. So can you tell me the output of this one? This is 5, j will be 5, 5 to 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Line change, this is minus minus 4, the value of j will be 4, 4 to 1, this is 4, 3, 2, 1. Next time that will be 3, 3, 2, 1. Next time that will be 2, 1 and finally this will be 1. And instead of j, if you children print here I, in this case what it will print? It will print 5, 5, 5, 5, then 4, 4, 4, then 3, 3, then 2, 2, 1. Alright, now in next example, there will be three variables. One is I, j and s. How many variables are there? There are three variables. This is a part of nested for. For I is equal to 1, I less than equal to 4, I plus plus. This loop will execute how many times? 4 times. How many rows we will get? We will get 4 rows. Now see this one carefully. S is equal to I, S less than 4, S plus plus. What is the value of S? I. What is that? 1. 1 less than 4. How many times it will execute? So it will execute 1, 2, 3. Why 3? Because here is less than. And what it will print? System.out.print. This is space. 4 spaces we will get here. One more inner for is there. For j is equal to 1, j less than equal to I and j plus plus. Again system.out.print, it will print j. And outer loop, as we discussed earlier, that will be print ln. Outer loop always be print ln. Be remember, inner loop will be print, outer loop will be print ln. Here first time I am using two inner for. One is s, another is j. When you execute this program, dear children, the value of I is what? 1. How many times this loop will execute? 1 less than 4. How many times? 3 times. 3 times what it will print? 3 times it will give 3 spaces like that. Suppose this is a space. You can dry run this program. You can compile this program in your system also. So 3 spaces. Now execute this black portion. J is equal to 1. J less than equal to I. The value of I is still 1. It will execute 1. What it will print? 1. This part is over. Print ln. You know very well. Line change. Your cursor will be here. Now when it will go there, the value of I will be what? 2. The value of S will be what? 2 less than 4. How many times it will execute? 2 and 3. That means 2 times. 2 spaces. Now 1 less than equal to 2. 2 times. What? Alright. Print ln. Line change. The value of I will be 3. Condition is true. It will come here. S equal to 3. S less than 4. That means 1 time. J equal to 1. J less than equal to 3. How many times? 3 times. What it will print? Line change. The value of I will be 4. S will be 4. 4 less than 4. Condition is false. Means it will not execute. And this part, how many times it will execute? 4 times. What it will print? So what we will get exactly, we will get this type of thing: 1 1 2 1 2 3 and 1 2 3 4. That means what? Right alignment. Previously we did like this type of question, like this type of question, but here is a what? Alignment will be changed. Are you getting it, dear children? And here, instead of J, if you write here within double quote star, then your answer will come what? Space, 3 spaces, then here will be space, 2 space, star star, 1 space, 4 time condition false. Are you getting it? Once again I want to say, if there will be any confusion, any doubt, feel free, write comment box the confusion wala part. And if you want to call me personally or text me, you can take my mobile number from your class teacher. If there will be such type of problem for particular student, those who are weak in computer, he or she may can call. I will explain that part. Otherwise I don't think so any confusion will be there. And in next clip I will try to do these things as a practically. Now what I am doing here, I am removing this part, and instead of this one, see what modification I am doing here. I am printing J, but with there will be a space. Now everything will be changed. Once again we'll compile this program. 1, ठीक है, this logic is correct for space. First time it will give 3 space. If you want to change, modify this logic, you can write like that way. How many outer loop will be there? 4 times. This loop will execute 4 times. So you can write s equal to 4, s greater than I, s minus minus. Things will be same. I equal to s equal to I, s less than 4, s plus plus, or you will write this one. What is the value of s? 4. 4 से लेके कहाँ तक? I. What is the value of I? 1. Less than 1. How many times loop will execute? Loop will execute 3 times. ये देखो. We will get 3. Now see this one. 1 से लेके 1. 1 time. But with space. Means what it will print? 1 with space. Line change. This is 2. 4 less than 2. How many times? 2 times. 1 to 2. 2 times. But each time it will give space. Means 1 space, 2 space. Line change. This is 3. How many space? 1 space. And this loop will execute 3 times. Why? Because the value of I is 3. So how it will print? 1 space, 2 space, 3 space. Line change. This is 4, no space, and this will execute 4 times. 4 space, sorry, 1 space, 2 space, 3 space, 4 space. What we are getting here? We are getting just like a center alignment, isn't it? So your answer will come like that way: 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. When you do this program in your laptop, in computer, your output will come like that way. And this is known as a center alignment. This is not so important for board purpose. In board, such type of question will not come. But in the class exam, in school exam, whether that is a part of class 9 or 10th, teachers will ask this type of question. So see the logic carefully and try to do this one. Understood? And common things are there. Instead of J, if you write here I, then your output will come what? 1 2 2 3 3 3 4 4 4 4. Thing will be what? Center alignment. In this example, again nested for is there. This loop will execute 4 times. Inner for, it will start with 4 से लेके I. What is I? That is 1. So bigger to smaller, that means greater than or minus minus. Means when the value of I will be 1, this loop will execute 4 times. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now see here. What is the value of J? 4. 4 modulus 2 equal to 0. True or false? True. What it will print? 4. Now next time the value of I will be 3. 3 modulus 2 equal to 0. False. What it will print? At the rate. Next time this will be 2. Condition true. Then 1. Condition false. So we will get here this one. Line change. The value of I will be what? 2. But it will start with 4. It will start with 4. 4 से लेके 2. 4, 3, 2. 4 means what? Hash. 3 means what? At the rate. 2 means what? This one. Next time this will be 3. 4 say 3. 4, 3. 4 will be true. 3 will be false. Next time that will be 4. 4 से लेके 4. One time your answer will be hash. So each row it will start with hash. Because why? Because this is 4 and each time it will be true. Copied it. In next example, if you write here J is equal to I, J less than equal to 4 and J plus plus. This is I, means each time J will be what? Change. Print J modulus 2 is equal to 0. This is question mark within double quote or single quote you can use here. 1 नहीं तो 0. You can use here single quote also. Single quote also like that way. That doesn't matter. And outside of the loop, this one is the outer loop, println. Again we will try run this one. Let's see which type of output will come. First time the value of I is 1. This is 1. 1 से लेके 4. 1 से लेके 4 means at first 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. 1. The value of J is 1. Condition false. 0. Then 1. Condition true. Then 3. Condition false. J will be 4. 4 modulus 2. Condition true. Line change. This is what? This is 2. The value of J will be what? 2 से लेके 4. It will start with 2. So 2 modulus 2. Condition true. 3 false. 4 true. Now that will be what? 3. 3 to 4. 3 means false. 0 4. Finally it will come 4. 4 से लेके 4. One time. What it will print? 1. Yes, this type of questions are very important for the board purpose, for class 10th, second terminal or final term, or class 10th as well as 9th. Now here I will change few things. If you write here for J is equal to 1, J less than equal to I, J plus plus. It will start with 1. Here is the print. J modulus 2 is equal to 0, question mark. Here is a hash, colon. Here is the star. This is println. So this is 1. 1 से लेके 1. 1 means condition always false. 1 means condition false. It will start with star. Line change. This is 2. 1 से लेके 2. 1, 2. 1 is false. 2 is true. Now the value of I will be 3. 1 से लेके 3. 1 false. 2 true. 3 false. Now the value of I will be 4. 1 से लेके 4. 1, then hash, then star, then hash. Understood? I don't think so. There will be any confusion related to this type of program. Last example. Last example of nested for. In next clip, we'll explain nested ternary and type conversion. And these are revision because Ritamis already explained this particular part. This is an important one, that's why I am trying to revise that particular things. Now j is equal to I, j greater than 1, j minus minus. This is print j modulus 2 is equal to 0 question mark. Here is a 0 colon, here is a 1. You can use double quote as I told you. चलो जल्दी से ड्राई रन. 1, this is 1 से लेके 1, 1 से लेके 1, 1 condition false. Line change, this is 2, 2 से लेके 1, 2 1, 2 means true. Now this is 3, 3 2 1, 3 false, then 2 true, then false. Now this is 4, 4 से लेके 1, 4 से लेके 1, 4 is what? 4 is true, then 1, then 0. One homework I am giving you. Try to do this question. 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1, and this is 1. This is question number 1. Question number 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This is question number 2. One more. Chalo, do this question for your practice. Number 3 and last will be क्या दे दें? So simple. 1 2 3 4 2 3 4 3 4 and make this question and write the answer, write the logic, mainly logic, in the comment box. Thank you.